What's going on, guys? This is Brad with Retire with Crypto. It's Sunday night, and this is an important night for the channel. We do our five under $5 million low cap gem coverage on every Sunday. Before we get started, I just want to thank everyone. Um, I started this YouTube channel like 4 days ago. It's something I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I just didn't think anyone would care or want to watch. And I've been researching cryptos and doing this for a long time now, and it's just really nice that we already have 41 subscribers. I'm really stoked about the growth, and I'm just really grateful for all of you watching. Um, I did get some feedback that our audio quality was poor, and I would tend to agree. I bought a new microphone. It's a blue Nano something. Uh, a blue Yeti Nano, and so I'm hoping the sound quality will improve. But this is boring, so let's get into it. So the first coin on our list is the Ensure Network. It's at 58 cents, has a $4.6 million market cap, trading volume of 2.4 million. And let's go ahead and look at the chart. On the 30-day, it's kind of all over the place. It mooned really hard in the DeFi craze months in October. Got all the way up to $3.42, and now as of today it is 58. But Cover Protocol is very similar to this. They don't have a working product yet, but they're so close. It does all the same things as Cover does, and just covers your investment risk. And their main net release is coming up. Normally, I try not to cover things that don't have a product yet. Um, and I try not to cover things without a team unless I really, really like the product. This does have a real person team, which I really like. It's got a low market cap. It's backed by a bunch of capital people. So I believe it will do very well. So the mainnet's coming out. They're doing support in community governments next quarter. Bootstrap with a multi-chain ecosystem like Polkadot, Cardano, other smart contract places, and yeah, they're just going to keep upgrading it and upgrading it. And I think this one has, we may not see an immediate moon out of this one, but long term, this is a heck of a pick. Check it out. It's Ensure Network. Our second pick is Finexus, and this does something really cool. I actually found it earlier in the week, and I decided to save it for our five under 5 million video. It's at 28 cents right now, up 20% today. The market cap is 3.9 million, but it has a volume of 3 million. So I do a lot of research on these coins. I'm checking Gecko, the lower parts of Gecko all the time for these big volume standouts. And whether it's mooned or not yet, if it consistently has a ton of volume, that it's consolidating, it's getting whales out of the way. People are dumping and buying, and it's a really good sign. A lot of these picks that I see have unusual volume to their market cap size for a really long time, and then they finally break out. Finexus is on the verge. It has gone up 72.6% over the 7 days. We're going to go ahead and give it a thumbs up here. But what Finexus does is it lets you buy options straight out of your MetaMask. So it's pretty cool. So we're gonna go through a quick dive into it. I'm gonna connect my wallet, so that way we can access it, and you can get options on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Maker, Synthetics, or Link, or you can supply liquidity of Tether, or I'm sorry, USDC, Tether, and FNX, and you can mine it, which is really cool, man. But I really like that you can buy call and put options on these. That this is going to be huge. Um, I don't know if you can even do this on other platforms, but you get to keep your liquidity in your own MetaMask. Super cool, man. Check out Finexus. I think it has a ton of potential. It's already gone up since I originally found it, but I mean, it hasn't exactly exploded, but it's definitely having a good day today. And then it looks like here it's consolidating for another move up. So check out Finexus. The next coin is SAKI token, and it's a SAKI swap finance. It's at 3 cents. It's a $2.2 million market cap, 1.3 million trading volume. And if you missed BAO Finance, here's your chance. The token is just like BAO, maybe even better. Um, it's available on Uniswap and SAKI Swap and Bicky and Hotbit. Let's go ahead and check all the trading pairs. Yeah, so those are the only exchanges it's available on. But I'm telling you, I've been following this coin since it was in the thousands, and it's starting to make its move. It's up 42% today, but at a $2 million market cap, it's got way more room to go. Here's the interface. So we'll connect our wallet to it, and as you can see, it it has or it has a swap function, just like Uniswap. It didn't have liquidity for Ampleforth, which isn't terribly surprising. Um, and it has some band protocol liquidity, but as you can see, the price impact is still pretty high. But they also do yield farming and adding liquidity, just like BAO Finance. They've got a lot of different pools. Here's they got DAI ETH, Tether ETH, Link USDT, Link ETH, Wrap Bitcoin ETH, Compound ETH, and US dollar coin ETH. And then they've got some SAKE staking or farming pools too. And then they've got the Community 100 pools. Don't miss out on this one, guys. I missed BAO Finance, and I'm beating the crap out of myself. I found BAO when it was at like 900th on the CoinGecko ranking, and I saw it at 230 yesterday. It made me want to die. I get a 100x my money, but um, here's more farming potential, and the APY is absolutely fine. I mean they pay out really well. Let's check back here. So on ETH DAI you can get 132%, 45% on Tether, 34% on Link, 32% on Link ETH. It's then on the SAKE pairs you get a lot better APY. This is almost 200, 122%, 77%. And these community pools, like if you do Dago ETH, which is another low cap alt that may cover later, you can get 1,223.679%. So all these community 100 pools they're risky though. You have to stake very volatile low cap coins not stake, farm, but you know what I mean. You have to they're higher risk coins when you stake them, or when you farm them or provide liquidity, however you want to say it. But again, I'm not that bullish on the farming. It seems nice, but I don't like to give brand new tokens significant portions of my liquidity to farm. Yes, you can make a ton of money on them, but what if they rug you. But I think this token itself is a major moonshot. uh, check out, pick up some. I would load your bags with this, guys. It's a good, nice coin. Um, Next coin I want to point out to you guys is the Curate coin. Um, it's at a $1.4 million market cap, 57 cents, and it's pretty great. I don't know how I didn't pick up on it sooner. It's done a 15x in the last 30 days, but it, it must have 15x from 100K. You know, it's really, really, really risky to invest in something that has a $100,000 market cap. So I'm comfortable getting in here. Um, Kind of looking for a little pullback for a slightly better entry, but this is a really cool coin. What it does is it's like a marketplace for digital assets. Let's dip into the white paper because they do a pretty good job explaining it. Let's go down to introduction. So here we go. Abstract or Curate is a marketplace app centered around content discovery between merchants and customers. It can be likened to a social media network focused on clothing, fashion, gaming, tech, crypto assets, health and beauty, and more. But in this case, also utilizes the decentralized blockchain network as a payment infrastructure as a means of providing royalties and rewarding engagement. So what this coin does is it's a social media platform that pays you for engagement. Um, you can sell your stuff on there. You can buy your stuff on there. As you can see, it's been featured in all these different magazines. It's got an app that's available on both Apple and Google Play, and it launches this quarter. So you want to get ahead of the launch and get in there. Um, and then they're going to be they're going to be looking for social media ambassadors. So maybe they'll give me a holler. But again, they've got an actual team, very important. You know, it almost all rug pulls are anonymous. You know, I like to support things that have an actual team, and they have an actual team. So um, the tokenomics are pretty good. Here's the smart contract right from their website if you want to buy it on Uniswap. I was gonna do a live swap on Uniswap today, but gas is super high, so I'm gonna film that later. But yeah, Curate is the fourth coin on our list, and then the last coin on the five under 5 million is Datum, and this is a really cool coin. It's at 0.0009. I really do think they should reduce the supply a bit, but when you're under a million market cap, you know, of course your coin is going to be cheap, but it's going to have it has 1 billion coins released now, and it's going to have up to 2.6 billion in the long run. Um, it's been much higher. This coin's been around a while. Its highest it was at was 14 cents. So if it goes anywhere close to back to 14 cents, it'll make a lot of people rich. But they're getting it together, guys. They're starting to get some momentum. They're up 54% today, and I really like these coins that come back from the dead. It makes me really happy to see it. It does a similar thing to there's another dissenter. It basically allows you to make money off of your own data, and I think that's definitely something we need to do because Google makes a ton of money off of our data. So it's an app that you put on your Android phone, and it's powered by the DAT token. Super cheap. You can get a couple 100,000 of them for rather inexpensively. So that's that's our last coin, Datum. So let's go over. We're just gonna go quick recap of our five under five. We've got the Insure Network, Ensure, Finexus, FNX, SAKI token, SAKI, Curate token, XCure, and Datum token, which is DAT. So that's our 5 for 5 million, or 5 under 5 million for this week. We're going to check back in on these coins next Saturday. We'll see if they mooned. We'll see if they went up. Or we'll see if I was wrong. And we'll also, on Saturday, recap the coins from the prior weeks as well. I did a recap video yesterday. If you guys managed to catch it, our picks did really, really well. And I expect them to continue to do really, really well. So if you got any useful education out of this video, like, subscribe, share it on Twitter, let your friends know. We've grown exponentially, and I've been so pleased. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great night. Take care.